Chapter 2. In Chapter 2 you will learn how to install the operating system, Ubuntu in our case. After that we have a look how to install the guest edition. Guest edition, some optimized packages for VBox. It allows better grabbing of keyboards, full screen display settings. And don't get irritated by some installation processes take very long time, so we used fast forward to skip some sequences. So let's get our Ubuntu into the virtual machine.
Okay, but before that we have to link the ISO file as DVD, CD, ROM. So we have to go to the settings.
You're right.
And there we have storage. And here you can see IDE controller, and this is empty. So let's give him the disk.
So we have already prepared this disk on our hard disk.
Yeah,
and exactly on this location in the install folder. You can use any folder you want.
Okay.
Okay. So we start the virtual machine and we start installing Ubuntu directly.
It will show up some confirmation windows, so it's just about the keyboard is grabbed by the virtual machine and so on. But basically the install process is starting. It's a typical operating system install procedure where you will be asked about the keyboard, about the location, about the disk size and the partitioning of your disk. This will take about 20 minutes. Klaus, let's have some coffee, okay?
Let's make some coffee.
Okay, I go.
Cheers, man.
Coffee was nice. I see, we can restart the virtual machine.
It was quite fast though, I think it's finished.
Okay, then let's go.
Alright.
Restart now.
So Ubuntu is installed. Next we have two options. We can install all the updates and the guest edition. Guest edition we need for the full screen option in the virtual machine. Now we see we can start the update. Of course the update is quite big and might take some time. To install the guest edition we select guest edition and confirm it.
There is just one more thing to do so that the guest edition is running properly. We need first opening a terminal. And we have to install the DKMS. Therefore we need to be the super user. We can change the user by sudo su, entering the password. And then we have to install the DKMS with aptitude. It means get install DKMS. So yes. Okay, now it's done. If you want to see if it's already working, just change the size of the screen. And you can see it's covering all the screen. So the guest edition is active.